Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We're here with another unboxing from the kind people at BeeBeecraft.com, and they asked me to do a cooperation with them, and they sent me some things. This is the third item they sent me. It is a set of diamond painting notebooks. Aren't those cool? Now I've done these before in a different design, and I gave one to my mom for a gift. She loves it so much, and all of my family members really love it when they come over. She has it down in the living room by the phone, and everyone comments on it, so I thought these would make great gifts. So yeah, I'm so excited about this. So these were US $13.59 on BeeBeecraft, and let me hang on a second, I'll see what that is in Canadian. So that's $16.12 Canadian, and we will be going over to the website later to see what they look like, okay? So, well, I guess you know what? Let's go over to the website now before we get into opening them. So let's just do that. Okay, guys, here we are at the BeeBeecraft.com website. You can see up here at www.beebeecraft.com. It's a very nice website. They sell all kinds of different things. And what I ordered were the Honey Handy DIY diamond painting notebook kits, including fake leather, resin rhinestones, a diamond sticky pen, tray plate, glue, clay, and a flower pattern. These books are 50 pages each. It was $18.96 Canadian, and I got 2 books in the set. This is one of the patterns. This is another pattern. I already have this set. I gave a set like this to my mom. I gave her one of the books, I think for Mother's Day or her birthday. I can't remember. She absolutely loves it. Everybody loves it. And there's also this style with the peacocks, which is really beautiful. And then this one that I got. So there's 4 to choose from. They're really beautiful. Pretty good price. And you can go up here and you can change your language. And you could change your currency up here as well. Alright, so let's head back to the video. Okay guys, so that was the website. And I want to say before I forget that BeeBeecraft was kind enough to give you guys a coupon. It's CAT10, and I'll put it right here. CAT10 for 10% off your order if you decide that you would like to order from BeeBeecraft. Okay? So anyway, having said that, let's open these up. So there's 2 of these for the price of 1, which is always such a nice surprise. So let's just take these out. So we have 1 and 2 kits. And they are each self-enclosed. So we'll just pick this one here we've got. And look how beautiful that is. So you can see it's got the whole kit, everything that you would need. It's got the green boat, red wax, pink pen. It's got the diamond beads and the notebook. They both are the same. So let's take a look. Alright, so this is the notebook, and let me show you the close-up of the design. And it's covered with this, and if you pull it back, it's really sticky. It's got a very good stick. It's like a faux leather, like a vegan leather, and it's got a little bit of indentations on the back from where this was sitting, and that's from being in the mail. So it does have that. So this does pick up marks, but if you don't look at it like the exact right way, you can't see it. You see what I mean? You have to look really hard to see that. So anyway, when you look inside, these are blank pages. So you could use this for sketching if you like sketching with pencils or pens. The paper's pretty thin, so I wouldn't use it for marker or any kind of paint. Well, maybe acrylic paint, but nothing else. Nothing too watery, you know. There's quite a few pages. Does it say how many pages? I think, well, we'll see. We saw it on the website. I think they said 50 pages, right? So it's a nice size. Let's get my standard 500 milliliter water bottle for comparison. So it's just about the same height, a little bit taller than a water bottle. So it's really nice. My mom likes hers. My mom keeps hers by the phone, the one that I made for her, for writing messages when people call. We have an answering machine, so like it's basically empty. She doesn't want to write anything in it. So, but you could write whatever you want. You could use it as a diary, a journal, a notebook, whatever you want it to. So that's pretty cool. And of course, the standard green boat, red wax, pink pen. And let's take a look at the drills. So they come fully marked like they all do with the number, right? But I like to turn them over to show you so you can see them clearly. And what I really like about this kit is it has drills in different sizes, and they're special drills. So here we have the faux pearl. Isn't that pretty? And the faux diamond. And this really pretty yellow. Isn't that gorgeous? I don't know if you can see that. Really pretty. Then we have the bigger blue ones. Try to move some up at the top where you can see the colors better. And this shape right here. I think that's a teardrop shape. I don't have my glasses on, you guys. And this pretty red color. The rhinestones. Blue. Like an orangey gold and a more yellow gold. So these are all of the really beautiful drills. And I do like that it has all the regular rhinestones plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 special drills that are bigger. That's really cool. I love the look of it when they have different drills. Not just different colors, but different sizes. I think it really adds a lot to the look of things. So, my poor puppy. So, we'll just do that. So, there it is. So, BeeBeecraft, thank you so much. I'm very excited to do these. I can't wait to get started. All right, guys. So, again, if you are interested in ordering for yourself, it's at BeeBeecraft.com. I'll put the link below. And you can use my code CAT10 for 10% off your order should you decide that's something you would like to order. And it's anything on their website. They have tons of things. All right, guys. So I hope you liked that. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell. All of those good things that help me as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, and happy crafting. Thanks for visiting. Bye, guys.